Let me tell you. Toka kwa mpona yako ama usitoke. Uko ni kwangu. Mimi uniite sumbua. Hivyo ndivyo mnakaa mkinisengenya na huyu. Hata ni rangi ya dhao.
Mama Mwalimu, please.
Rangi ya dhao. Si ungeniambia mafuta ile nitajipaka. Nikuwe mweupe. Si useme. Si umeitana. Ama hakuna kitu nirudi.
Mama Mwalimu.
Nasikia.
I think this marriage
is not working. Si umalize?
Nyewe mama, hata mimi venye naona wewe na dadi hamfai kukaanisha tena. Cause kusema ukweli mama, siku moja mtakuja kuuana. Every day makelele. Every time makelele.
You think utawin?
Malaika hawezi kaa na shetani. Siwe ni malaika na mimi ni shetani. I don't want ever to hear or to see you close to the principal.
You are too new. Unajua Mama Mwalimu nilikwambia vizuri sana, tumemzoea. You learn about her. You have not seen anything about Mama Mwalimu. You are yet to see her.
Tomorrow morning, you bring me all your dresses, all your clothes. Nikuchagulie zenye utakuwa unavaa. I want hand material like this. Hata kama umevaa ni kama unaweza confusiwa na ng'ombe. You are so green, hata ng'ombe inaweza kuconfuse ikikule.
Okay. Just go to class, Jennifer, and wait for us at the staff room. We're coming, yeah?
Wenda darasani.
Na akikuja kwa class.
Nani?
Mrs. Principal.
Wewe fanya hivi, enda staff room. Sawa? Enda staff room.
Sawa.
Yes.
Na sasa kwa sababu wewe ndiye chairman wa board of management, if I don't tell you, nani nitaambia?
But you see, Mrs. Makothe, it's not that I am refusing to see you, but I am very busy. And today I'm attending the meeting the board, and it's starting in the next 1 hour. So I'm very busy.
Okay, yeah. Don't you think these issues, in fact, I have 38 issues. Na hizi issues ndio zinaweza fanya shule isimame. 38 issues. Issue number 1 that I would wish attended about the religious teachers. Issue number 2, the lady as the gatekeeper. Number 3, sorry. Secretary is also a lady. Number 4, cooks, they are all ladies. Number 5.
You see, Mrs. Makothe, you know, all those issues, I think they need a special sitting. And it is not now. Maybe later in the day after the meeting. Please.
And in fact,
excuse me, please.
And in fact, that is why I'm requesting you to allow me to sit in that board.
No, you cannot do that. You know, I'm the decision maker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a special sitting alone. But this one, please excuse me.
I wanted to raise them on board.
You know I'm the chairman of the school, eh?
Yes, and for the board. And if you allow me to sit in the board.
I should not mix issues, please, eh? Madam Makothe, I respect you. But for this one, please forgive me.
Excuse me, mwalimu.
Yes.
Kuna ile message uliniandikia jana.
Ah. Wacha hiyo message. Si ni bibi yangu mwendo wazimu alikuwa ameandika. You thought it's me who wrote that message?
Hey, get
Yes.
serious.
Unajua umjui, utakuja kumuelewa vizuri. Anyway, tutaongea.
Mrs. Makothe, you need to know that this is not a private institution. We are dealing with a public institution,
Bwana
which is
Chairman.
very, very sensitive.
What do you think you're teaching me? What is it that I don't know? I know the difference between a public institution and private. I have to protect my family. My family cannot be at stake because of being private or whatever. It's none of my damn business. Listen, you did not even listen to me. Nikwambie mpaka at least mpaka 14 or 15.
What is it?
At least I can agree. From 15 to 25, those are professional issues.
What are
According
the
to
issues?
my
What
people.
are those issues?
But now, kwanza listen to number 14. Principals conferences.
What is about?
You should be making me a budget to be accompanying him, and especially this, we have to go with him to Mombasa. Number 15. Mikutano ya CDE. Pia sisi ma spouses tu tuna attend pia.
You see, Mrs. Makothe, some of these issues cannot be passed as the board of directors. Yeah, now you are going far, too far. And I'm telling you, and I'm going to remind you again
Sasa
and again, this is a
una-
public
una-
institution, and some of the issues that you are raising cannot be handled.
Bwana Chairman, na ukianza sasa nitakuita na jina sasa. You've just been given an opportunity to sit in that chair.
You are
Now if
closing
you
the
come,
border.
now
You are
if you
closing the
come
border.
at like you are the one now who is directing me or you are dictating me.
Let me tell you, instead of protecting your family, I think you are doing bad to them. Because
If it was your wife who is now at stake, you'd be talking different.
okay, now do this. Calm down. When I get to the meeting of the board, I'm going to raise all those issues. If they pass, okay. If they don't, then you don't have to blame me.
But you see, if you do not have the goodwill to pass them, you have already refused them.
Hapana. Hapana. Hapana, huku mimi siwezi kaa. Huku hakuwezi kalika. Sasa intimidation imefikia hapo, kwani anafikiria niko na haja na bwana yake. Dressing code yangu inahusu Mrs. Principal aje? Mpaka ananiambia vile nitakuwa ninafaa, inamhusu aje? Sasa Mrs. Principal ananiambia anti mpaka vile nitakuwa nikidress. Hapa. Kwani nimekuja, si mimi nimekuja kazi? Mimi sijakuja kutafuta bwana. Hata lessons sijapewa. Mimi naenda kwa county director. Sijapewa lessons. Mimi ni kwenda tu nipatiwe shule nyingine. Hata nikuishia naishia saa hizi. Naenda. Hapana, siwezi kaa hapa. Hapana, mimi siwezi kaa.
Madam Jennifer.
That's too much. Kidogo nikupigie. Yes, sir.
Ni wapi huko unaenda?
Sasa hapa siwezi kaa. Hii intimidation imekuwa too much. Mimi nataka kwenda kwa county director anibadilishie shule.
Okay. I'm sorry I should have given you proper induction on what to expect in this compound. You'll get a lot from her. Sio ati umeona kitu. Bado kuna mengi utaona hata hujaona kitu. You have to cope with the situation. Leave her alone, leave her to me. Hiyo mambo ingine yote wachana nayo. Hiyo ni yangu. But you have to learn to live with her. That's what we are used to around here. So, uende uone Mr. Kamanja, the head of department sciences. Si unamjua? I'm sure you have met. Let him give you the lessons. Sawa sawa?
Sir, please let me go. Let me go, please.
It's either you listen to me or you just get out of this compound. It's an order now from me. Go talk to Mr. Kamanja upewe lessons. Sio wewe utaniambia vile utakaa hapa. Go. Things are not as easy as you want them to be.
Mrs. Makothe, I think now you are irritating me.
Haya.
Do you want to measure my IQ?
Umejaza sasa.
What I want you to understand is that if you want all those issues to be addressed in this school, it cannot happen. Open your own school and implement those issues that you are talking about.
Let me tell you.
And if you want more advices on how you are going to run your school, contact me.
Let me tell you. Because nimeona sasa umefika juu ya mti. Listen and listen to me good. This school will not be run the way I want.
Ukiwa nani?
Mrs. Principal, Makothe Secondary School.
So you want to overturn my leadership in this school?
Nakwambia if I mean that hutakaa kwa hiyo kiti, nitakutoa hivi. Wewe.
Woman, I think you need to rethink. Open your own school that you implement whatever you want. But not
Kwanza,
here in this
enda kwanza. Mkakula yule tumayai, tuamboilo. Na yule totoma mnakulaga before mwanze mikutano. Let me tell you. You'll be surprised. Utanipata kwa hiyo kiti. Hebu kwanza niende. Mkula kule hiyo tunduma. Do you know me? You'll realize that you don't know.
Mr. Principal.
Yes.
Are you sure that today's morning meeting is going to move ahead anywhere?
Kwani kuna shida gani?
There's crisis.
There is a crisis.
Yeah,
Kwani what's happening?
You know,